Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. और आज की इस वीडियो में I will be comparing two palettes which I think they look similar. I really don't know whether they will work similar or not, but yeah, one is a very much affordable option and one is high end. Also मैं एक पूरी high end versus affordable पे एक वीडियो ज़रूर करूँगी, like whole face products. But today I'm just gonna do the eye palette, and the palette I'm gonna compare is the Jaclyn Hill palette, which is one of my favorite. I really love this palette, and the palette I'm gonna compare it with is the Ethereal palette. It is by Cuffs and Lashes 20 something. So ये दोनों पैलेट्स मैं कंपेयर करूँगी, एक जैसा आई लुक करूँगी. अब एक आई पे जैकलिन हिल के साथ और दूसरी आई पे मैं करूँगी एथीरियल पैलेट के साथ. सो ऑल्सो आई वाज जस्ट वांटेड टू शो यू द न्यू PR पैकेज आई गॉट फ्रॉम Cuffs and Lashes. सो दिस वाज द PR पैकेज. आई गॉट देयर न्यू फेस ब्रशेस जो मैं जल्द ही अलग से वीडियो करूँगी, and I will give my point of view, like my verdict, whatever I feel about them. I will be letting you guys know. Also, they have also launched their Stardust palette, जो कि मुझे PR package में है. This is their glitter palette. So I'm really excited to try this as well and create look using this as well. But today in this video, I'm just gonna compare the Ethereal palette and the Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's get started. So this is the Jaclyn Hill palette, white packaging with some silver, writing going on. और बहुत बेसिक सी पैलेट है. दिस लुक्स वेरी सिमिलर. आई एम जस्ट गना. सो दिस इज हाउ द पैलेट्स लुक लाइक एथीरियल एंड जैकलिन हिल. सो एथीरियल पैलेट जो है आप देख सकते हैं, इसका साइज़ जो है थोड़ा सा ना छोटा है जैकलिन हिल से. या आप यहाँ से देख सकते हैं, इट्स अ लिटिल बिट स्मॉलर इन साइज. नाउ लेट्स जस्ट चेक आउट हाउ इट लुक्स फ्रॉम इनसाइड. सो दिस इज जैकलिन हिल पैलेट. इसके पीछे सारे शेड्स दिए गए हैं कि कौन कौन से शेड्स हैं अंदर. एज यहाँ पे एक कोट लिखा हुआ है, दिस पैलेट इज डेडिकेटेड टू ऑल माई लविंग सब्सक्राइबर्स Jaclyn. It's by Jaclyn Hill, and these are the colors. Really good pan size and love the colors. And now I'll just show you the 20 something palette. एक बात जो मैंने बहुत जल्दी नोटिस की, एक तो थोड़ा सा साइज़ छोटा है इस पैलेट का. Secondly, it is very lightweight as compared to the Jaclyn Hill palette. Jaclyn Hill का weight थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा है, but this one is really lightweight. So this is the Ethereal palette. And जैसे कि Jaclyn Hill में था, यहाँ पे भी एक कोट है. It says stay classy, sassy and a little bit badassy. And you can see the shades are pretty similar. I'm not saying that बिल्कुल dupe है, बिल्कुल exact same है, but they are similar. I'm just gonna show you the Jaclyn Hill palette side by side. So yeah, this one I have Ethereal palette and this one is the Jaclyn, and you can just see how both the palettes looks like. And pan size is little bit smaller, what I feel of the Ethereal palette as compared to Jaclyn. All the same. I'm just gonna compare and let you know, but this is how both the palettes look like. Very similar. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do an eye look using both of them. So on the right side I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill, or on the left side I'm just gonna use the Ethereal palette. Alright, I will be doing the eyes first and then I'm just gonna do my base. And for the सबसे पहले I'm just gonna start with the transition color. I'm just gonna zoom in a little bit so that you can see a little better. So I'm taking this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette as a transition shade. It's like a medium camel brown. So I'm just gonna take this and apply to my crease area with a fluffy blending brush. और अब सिमिलर शेड, द कैमल शेड, जो कि थोड़ा सा इसमें लाइटर मुझे लग रहा है. I'm gonna use it on the other eye. This is Ethereal palette. So I'm just gonna take this similar shade and I'm just gonna try working with it. Also in the end of this video I will definitely swatching some shades ताकि आप देख सकें whether they are similar or not. Alright, so now the transition shade is done. I'm just gonna add a little bit of brown. So मैं एक medium brown ले रही हूँ. I'm just gonna place it right on the outer corners and I'm just gonna blend it nicely to the crease. I love working with Jaclyn Hill palette. मुझे कभी Jaclyn Hill palette से कोई शिकायत नहीं हुई है. The shadows are really pigmented and great. Now I'm gonna take a medium brown from the ethereal palette, so I really need to find the color जो कि उससे similar हो. I'm trying कि मैं वैसा ही look करूँ जो कि colors similar मुझे मिल जाए दोनों palettes में, and काफ़ी colors already similar हैं. So yeah, so the pigmentation wise I think the ethereal palette also is doing a good job. बहुत ज़्यादा फॉल आउट नहीं है. The eyeshadows are blending really nicely as well. अभी तक I'm happy how both the eyes are turning out to be, like they're quite similar. Now I'm gonna take maroon shade, like a burgundy shade, and I'm just gonna pop right onto the outer corners and blend it on the crease. I'm just gonna change the brush, थोड़ा सा small blending brush लेकर. So in Jaclyn Hill palette there's not like exactly burgundy color, थोड़ा सा brown में है, so I'm just gonna use that only. I'm just gonna pop right on the outer corners and blend it on the crease. From the ethereal palette, I'm just gonna take this pinky burgundy color. Hope the results will look similar. Just trying my best to create a similar eye look, right? I'm just gonna pop on the outer corners and blend it to the crease. So अभी तक look similar ही आ रहा है, and I'm glad about it. So blending is really well. Both the eyeshadows, थोड़ी सी Jaclyn Hill वाली side dark है as compared to the ethereal palette, but it's okay. We're gonna work it. Now जो 4 shades मुझे बहुत similar लगे दोनों palettes में are these shades. These 4 shades here, and ये Jaclyn Hill के 4 shades हैं. Can you see how similar they are? Like, look at the shades. So I'm just gonna use one of these shades. I think I'm just gonna use the purple one देखने के लिए कि how the look will turn out to be. So I'm gonna use my finger because shimmery shade है, और shimmery shade का जो effect होता है वो finger से ज़्यादा अच्छा आता है. So I'm just gonna take purple shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Look how pigmented it is, and I'm just gonna swatch the purple shade from the ethereal on the second finger ताकि आप difference देख सकें. So as you can see, the purple from the ethereal palette is more on the lavender side, like it's not that dark. The Jaclyn Hill shade is a darker color, so थोड़ा सा shade में फ़र्क है, but let's just use it soon. I'm just gonna pop a little bit of the purple on the lids. ये है Jaclyn Hill वाली side. I'm gonna blend it really nicely with the fingers only. Looks good. And now I'm just gonna do the purple from the ethereal palette on the other side. Okay, more of a lavender shade this is. Yep, definitely a lavender, then purple. This one is darker. So you can see a vast difference in both the lid colors because the transition shades are still looking very similar, but the lid colors are not looking similar. दिखने में similar थे, but they're not similar. So there's a little bit of shade difference. So now I'm just gonna take another brush and I'm just gonna blend all the colors in. Taking a brown shade, blending के लिए, just gonna blend it. For the inner corners, I'm taking shimmery champagne shade into the inner corners and blend it with the purple one here from the ethereal palette. I'm taking this lighter creamy shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette just to pop under my brow bone area. A similar shade from the ethereal palette, popping under the brow bone area. Now taking this brush, I'm just gonna blend in everything. So this is how the eye look looks like. The lid color is very different. The shade difference is a lot. Same family से हैं purple, but it is very intense, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and this one is a lighter version of it. So I'm just gonna swatch it now here. I'm just gonna do full face very soon, but I'm just gonna swatch it जो मुझे similar लग रहे हैं ताकि आप उन्हें देख सकें कि how they look, you know, like in these swatches. So first of all, I'm just gonna do the purple one. So this one is Jaclyn Hill palette का purple, and this one is ethereal का purple. Very light, and I think it's a less potent, less pigmented. And there is a vast shade difference. Now I'm just gonna use the teal from the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is teal from the Jaclyn Hill palette, and now I'm gonna use the teal from the ethereal palette. So here you can see the Jaclyn Hill palette लाइट है, ethereal palette का teal जो है वो थोड़ा dark है, so this one is more dark. Yeah, and now I'm just gonna do the blue one. So this is Jaclyn Hill palette blue, and this is the ethereal palette. So there is a shade difference, definitely it's not a dupe, but they are similar family shades. So this is Jaclyn Hill palette and this is ethereal palette. This one, it's very less pigmented. This one more thoda sa chalky lag raha hai. Yeah, so you can see the shade difference is there. It's not dupe. They look similar in the pan, but जब actually use करते हैं, they are not similar. So I'm just gonna do the rest of my face, and I'm just gonna do the lower lashes वाले eyeshadow. I will do it later. So I will be just doing my base, and I'll just come back and I'll show you how the whole looks like. All right, I'm done with my foundation and brows, and you can see there's lot of difference in the lid color. मतलब it's very obvious, very मतलब बहुत ही दूर से भी देखने में पता चलता that there is like different eyeshadow going on the lid. Also, I noticed one thing. So the second swatch of every shade here is of ethereal palette. So I see that जो ethereal palette के shades हैं, they are a little chunky. You know, there's a little chalkiness and chunkiness as compared to Jaclyn Hill palette. Of course, Jaclyn Hill's is super quality. That's why the price भी वहाँ पे इसीलिए ज़्यादा है. But first, let me just complete my eyes, and I will be sharing my, you know, what I really think about like of the ethereal palette at the end of this video. So I'm just gonna do the lower lash line first. So lower lash line pe I'm just gonna use the teal color just to get an idea and just to see how it looks. So I'm just taking the matte teal color first from Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just gonna apply on my lower lash line, smudge it nicely. And I'm just gonna wipe off my brush, ताकि वाइप मैं इसीलिए कर रही हूँ ताकि एक्चुअल शेड आए दूसरे साइड पे जो कि मैं ethereal palette से लूँगी. So I'm just gonna take the similar teal जो दिखने में similar है pan में, and I'm just gonna use on the lower lash line here. Now I'm just gonna use the shimmery teal, and I'm just gonna smudge it underneath this first from the Jaclyn Hill palette. Now I'm taking it from the ethereal palette. So it's looking quite similar. दोनों teal दिखने में same से लग रहे हैं, but swatch में difference था थोड़ा सा. But when I applied on my eye, they are looking quite similar. I think I'm done with the eyes. I just don't want to do more. It's gonna take a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna smudge it ताकि बहुत ज़्यादा harsh look ना हो, थोड़ा सा soft हो जाए lower lash का look. And now I'm just gonna pop some lashes and I'll be back. So guys, I'm back with the lashes on, and this side is a Jaclyn Hill side. The eyes looks really nice. They look intense, and this side is ethereal palette. तो इसमें intensity कम है, the pigmentation is a little less, or there's a shade difference, it can be anything. But मुझे use करने में ज़्यादा problem नहीं हुई ethereal palette के eyeshadows. So let's come to the verdict now. I really like the Jaclyn Hill side. I love this palette, no doubts in that. But ethereal palette was not that bad as well. So yeah, the eyeshadows were really easy to use. They were blending really nice. I only find that they are not the exact shade of the Jaclyn Hill palette. So let's come to the verdict now. So as you can see actually some pinks in the ethereal palette, like this, and there's a coral color as well. There are less of browns. There are browns, but there is no dark brown. There's a one black shade, which is also not jet black. So this area, these eyeshadows are very similar to the Jaclyn Hill palette. Even I think this one. Yeah. Now coming on to the Jaclyn Hill palette. So you can hardly see any pinks. can you see there are no pinks, there are more shades of brown in the Jaclyn Hill palette as compared to the Ethereal palette. So जो आपको ये वाले आई शेडोज़ दिखा रही हूँ मैं कि जो सिमिलर दिखते हैं, इनके भी शेड डिफरेंस हैं जो कि मैं आपको स्वॉच करके दिखा चुकी हूँ. The Ethereal palette के जो आई शेडोज़ हैं, they're a little chalky and chunky when you compare these shades. I'm not talking about all the shades, I'm just talking about these shades. And the Jaclyn Hill palette is, you know, the eyeshadows are really smooth and they're buttery soft. So I would not say that it is a dupe of Jaclyn Hill palette because the shades are different. They look similar, the packaging is similar, और first look में भी ऐसा लगता है that they are similar, but the eyeshadows are a little different, the shade is different, and you will get a different result with them, not the exactly like Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see here, I've tried to use the similar eye shades, but there's a little difference in the result. So now what I really think about the Ethereal palette, I think the Ethereal palette is great because there was no fallout. थोड़े से आई शेडोज़ चॉकी हैं और चंकी हैं, but there's no fallout. Blending is superb, and सारी बात आती है एंड में प्राइस पे. Yes, Jaclyn Hill palette is way more expensive than this Ethereal palette. Ethereal palette का जो retail price है, that's like 999, but it is on discount and you'll be getting this Ethereal palette in just 499 rupees. Yes, that's a steal deal, guys, and the quality of the eyeshadow, if you compare with the price, is amazing. But definitely Jaclyn Hill palette सबसे ऊपर आता है. If you want to spend on high end, you can go with it. There's no doubt in this. But अगर आपका budget कम है and you really want some colors in your collection, then you can go for Ethereal palette. It's not bad. It's not at all bad. It can give you similar results like Jaclyn Hill. I'm not saying the same. Similar results like Jaclyn Hill palette, but not the same. And I really like the fact that it's very, very lightweight as well. So I would say go for it because price के हिसाब से this is a steal deal, guys. It's a really good palette, and you can see the eyeshadows also looks amazing. The blending was really nice. मुझे blending में कोई problem नहीं आई. The pigment was really nice. Pigmented हैं eyeshadows. ऐसा नहीं है कि बिल्कुल ही pigmentless हैं. So I will definitely say if you're a beginner, you want to play with colors, you can definitely go with this palette. But if you are someone professional doing brides, or you have already like lot of colors but you want to upgrade to something really nice and high quality, and you want to spend money on makeup, like good money, then you can go for the Jaclyn Hill versus the Ethereal palette. So price difference इतना है, you can't really compare both of them because price पे जब बात आती है ना तो Ethereal palette ऊपर आ जाती है compared to the Jaclyn Hill palette. But yeah, this is how the whole looks like. I really hope you enjoyed this whole comparison video. Let me know if you want more comparison videos, be it foundation, be it eyeshadows, be it eyeshadow palettes. I will be doing a full face of high-end makeup and full face of drugstore makeup, दोनों side पे, very soon. And just in case if you're wondering what eyelashes I'm wearing Pack 53 because बहुत से लोग पूछते हैं and then I just forget. And on my lips I have Pack Retro Matte lipstick in 37 numbers. So yeah, so that's it for the video. And if you're new to my channel and watching me for the very first time, then I'm Kavya. I make beauty related videos, and if you're new to my channel, then I would like to request please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.